Good day, sir. And now explaining the following new required performance standard of ICDIS as per MSC 530103 2024 and 6 different terminologies used performance standard of ICDIS. Number 1 is support for S100 electronic navigational data service. ICDIS must be capable of using new generation of S100 based hydrographic product in addition to traditional ENC. This enable improved navigation, information, and future digital services. Next is display of additional marine information. The system can integrate additional navigation data such as high-resolution bathymetry S102, surface current S111, water levels and tides S104, navigational warnings S124, marine protected areas, and other nautical publication. This improves situational awareness on the bridge. Number 3, improve route planning and route monitoring. ICDIS performs enhanced automatic route checking using the expanded S100 datasets. It warns the navigator about danger, shallow water, restricted areas, and other hazards before and during the voyage. Number 4, enhanced alerts and alarms. The revised standard introduces improved alert management consistent with bridge alert management principles. Alerts are classified and prioritized to reduce confusion and improve safety. Interoperability. ICDIS must exchange data efficiently with integrated navigation system or INS, GNSS, radar, AIS, and other bridge equipment. This supports better decision making and safer navigation. Number 6, cybersecurity and data integrity. Greater emphasis is placed on secure handling, authentication, and integrity of electronic chart data to ensure reliable navigation information. This is the 6 important terminologies used in MSC 5303 001 Revision 1 2024. Electronic chart display and information system ICDIS, a navigational information system that display official electronic nautical charts together with the ship position and other navigation information. With an approved backup arrangement, it satisfies the SOLAS chart carriage requirements. Number 2, electronic navigational data service, a collection of official digital nautical information including charts and nautical publication distributed by authorized hydrographic office under the S100 framework. Number 3, electronic navigational chart, an official vector chart produced by or on the authority of government hydrographic office. It contains chart features that this uses for route planning and monitoring. Number 4, route monitoring, the continuous monitoring of vessels' progress along its planned route. This automatically checks the ship position and provides warning when hazard or route deviation are detected. Number 5, safety contour, a selected depth contour used by this to distinguish safe water from unsafe water. If the vessel approaches or crosses the safety contour, the system generates an alert to warn the navigator. Number 6, backup arrangement, an approved alternative system or independent ICDIS installation that ensures safe navigation continues if the primary ICDIS fails, maintaining compliance with SOLAS requirements. Thank you.